It's been a few years since I've made that video called Never Ever Pay Collections. And at the time I was just an average person who had been taken advantage of by some phony debt collector. I wanted to share my story in hopes of helping others avoid the same fate. The video went viral and it allowed me to help hundreds of thousands of people. But things have changed since then. A lot has happened in the world and it's impacted all of our lives in one way or another. Personally, I took some time away from creating videos to focus on my business, clients, and got to travel and find myself a little bit. And during this process, I came up with a new vision and plan for my life and for my business. I'm now ready to come back and share my story and knowledge with the rest of the world. While the message of the original video still stands true, there's so much more to the story. So in this updated version of Keeping It Real with Credit, I wanted to share everything I've learned in the past few years when it comes to credit, business credit, collections, and so much more. This is going to be an ongoing series, and I'll be releasing a new video every week. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Keeping It Real with Credit. My name is Ray, and over the past 7 years, I've been able to help thousands of people transform their credit and change their lives right here on this channel. So if you're tuning in for the first time, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any future episodes. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can get the perfect credit score without spending any money. That's right, all you need to do is follow these simple steps on this video and you'll be on your way to getting the perfect credit score absolutely for free. If you don't have enough credit, one of the first things you want to do is become an authorized user on a friend or family's credit card. This is also known as piggybacking. As an authorized user, you'll get your own credit card that's linked to the account. The card will arrive to the cardholder's address, but go ahead and let them know to shred it. You will still be able to benefit from the account's history without using the card. All you really want is the information to show up on the credit report, which is the payment history, the limit, and the age. The second thing you'll need to do is pay off the balance each and every month. This will help the credit utilization be lower, which is good for the overall credit score. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization below 30%. However, FICO actually gives the most points when each individual card is kept between 1 to 6% of the available credit limit. Once your balances are paid, ask for a credit limit increase from the credit card issuer. This will help lower your credit card utilization even further and shouldn't generate any inquiries. As lenders do soft pulls when considering credit limit increases, you can also open a new line of credit to help lower your overall utilization. Just keep in mind that opening a new account may lower your overall credit score because it decreases the average age of your credit report. Third, sign up for EXPERIAN Credit Boost, which is a free service that allows you to add certain types of bill payments to your credit report. This can help improve your payment history, which is the most important factor of your credit score. Check out the link in the description below to sign up for EXPERIAN Boost and test it out for yourself. Now for the fourth step. If you're currently past due on any accounts, get current as soon as possible. Once you get caught up, you can also try to negotiate with the creditor to have the late payments removed from your credit report. This is known as a goodwill adjustment, and it's likely to happen if you have a good payment history with this lender. If you do notice any inaccuracies on your credit history, you can dispute them with the credit bureaus directly. And finally, number 5, do not close your oldest accounts. If you close your oldest accounts because you don't use it anymore, you can actually hurt your credit score. That's because one of the factors of your credit score has to do with the length of the credit history, which would be shorter if you actually close that account. Achieving a perfect credit score can seem impossible, but it actually isn't. Follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to getting the perfect credit score absolutely for free. Now keep in mind that each and every one of these tips can help improve your credit score, but don't forget to regularly check your credit report for any errors. In my next video, I'll go over the difference between a credit report and a credit score, so make sure to check that out. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and remember, you can check out my calendar in the description below to speak to me on a one-on-one basis for a free credit consultation. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on all things credit.